Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, now outer nuclear layer. Outer nuclear layer will mainly contains the nuclei of rods and cones. Then we have outer plexiform layer. Outer plexiform layer. In the layers of retina, we have outer plexiform layer. Outer plexiform layer will actually it contains the synapses of rods and cones. It contains the synapses of rods and cones with horizontal bipolar and Muller cells or amacrine cells. Then we have inner nuclear layer. In the inner nuclear layer, we have nuclei of bipolar cells, amacrine cells, and horizontal cells are seen. Then we have inner plexiform layer, which contains the synapses. Then finally, we have ganglion cell layer, which contains the ganglion cells. Then we have nerve fiber layer. Nerve fiber layer has axons of ganglion cells which combine together to form the optic nerve. All the axons of ganglion cells will combine together to form the optic nerve, and finally internal limiting membrane is seen. So if you see the picture, here we have this is the retinal pigment epithelium, photoreceptor layer, outer limiting membrane, nuclei of rods and cones in outer nuclear layer, synapses of rods with amacrine cells, bipolar cells and Muller cells in outer plexiform layer, inner nuclear layer where there is nuclei of Muller cells, amacrine cells, horizontal cells and also bipolar cells are present in inner nuclear layer. Then we have inner plexiform layer which contains the synapses of these with ganglion cells. Then we have ganglion cell layer which contains the ganglion cells, nuclei, and finally we have nerve fiber layer and internal limiting membrane.
thank you and thank you for watching.